Alright guys, so what we got here is Lexus NX300h 2020. It is now installed with the Ghost immobilizer. So on this vehicle, the way it works, as you can see, if a thief gets or copies your key, they will only be able to turn the ignition on. They will not be able to start the car. It does not say ready at the bottom. Put it into reverse, the car will not move. So it's fully immobilized. So when you get in the vehicle, put the ignition on, enter your code 1 2 3 4. It's set to a demo button at the moment. Get 2 beeps from the system, and now you can see it says ready at the bottom, so the car is ready to drive. If you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit our car sound security info Gansel RG2 6QA.